and something's gone horribly wrong. It's as if YouTube have not released this video to my subscribers. It's like, it's public. We can go over here and we can see, yeah, it's public. No wuckers, right? And I did my usual thing. I left it unlisted and a few people found it due to it being in a playlist. They still have that bug, I guess you could call it, where if you set a playlist but set a video to unlisted, people can find it through the playlist. Just a pro tip there. Anyway, go into the analytics here, and like I released it like 20 minutes ago or something like that. Right, here is the real-time update graph. I don't like that they've changed it. You now have to mouse over. There's no y-axis like gauge here. Anyway, like I started out getting like 20 views. This is like per minute, okay? 20 views per minute, 12, 20, and it's dropped off to practically 0. Like every minute. And look, this is my typical, this is what I might this is what I got for recent videos. It depends. And mailbag videos usually quite popular. Usually I would have expected, 60 to 100 views per minute at least. Like when I release a video, a popular video, I know it's going to be popular and get a lot of views if it gets like 100 plus views per minute. An average video might get 50 to 100, somewhere in that range, because you can tell that it's going to be popular because it appealed to people straight away. They wanted to watch it because they liked the thumbnail, they liked the title, they liked whatever it is. But rarely would I get a video that's on my main channel that gets under 50 views per minute, and usually it stays consistent for like the first couple of hours. And I've released it in the normal time zone, 9:30 a.m. here in the morning, which is nighttime in the US, which is kind of the majority of my viewers. Not a large percentage, like 25%, but it's still the largest of any country in the world. And it's dropped off to 0. I refresh it, and I have seen glitches in the stats before, but usually it doesn't last like this. Look, it's updated. It seems to have genuinely updated like this, and it is not being shared at all. Now, the interesting thing is, it wasn't originally titled Rubber Coated Mailbag. It was titled Extra Kinky Mailbag, because there's a PCB in here which has a latex rubber, what looks like a latex rubber coating on it, right? It's really sexy. So I thought, I used that in the title, use the word kinky in the title and also in the description as well. Didn't use it in the keywords, but yeah, maybe that has something to do with it. Maybe it's detected kinky in the title and it's completely throttled the video. And it's not, I don't think I could try setting it private and then go public again, but I'm pretty sure it won't re-email everyone, send out notifications to everyone. So I think I've done my dash on this mailbag video. I don't know why. I don't know whether or not it'll come good, whether it's a glitch or not. And here's the video here. People are viewing it. It is audio render error. Please restart your computer. What on earth? I've never heard of that happening. I've never seen that before. That is ridiculous. What the? Anyway, people are seeing it. People have actually, commented and stuff. So, but based on these stats, and look, it says 743 views. What's it gotten over here? 398. So maybe there's something horribly wrong with the stats, and maybe there's nothing to worry about. Maybe it'll just catch up and come good. So, but I'm way under where I'd expect to be. It's to drop off to 1 or 2. Maybe it's like a content delivery system, CDN stats, compilation issue or something like that. But anyway, there you go. Just wanted to show you that. That's very interesting. And I can't get any extra details I might be able to get extra details at this stage. Views from impressions, 51. Click-through rate, 9.4 thousand impressions. Okay, there you go. It looks like 9,500 people have seen it, but only 51 people clicked on it? Maybe because maybe they just didn't like the kinky mailbag title. I don't know. I wouldn't have thought that would have offended my viewers. Like, you know, like people know I'm not, you know, it's not going to be some sex toy or something. They know I'm talking about, you know, like the PCB's sexy or something. It's even in the title. Look, it's got like a black rubber latexing. I thought this was a pretty good thumbnail. Like, you know, it's reasonably catching. And I know people who like Mailbag just watch Mailbag. They don't generally, you know, they wouldn't be turned off by kinky in the title. So maybe it's been throttled, but I don't know. So anyway, usually you can't get good data on this for quite some time. Engagement, like 94 and, you know, 94, 95% like versus dislike. That's pretty typical. Audience, you won't get any of that stuff. Revenue, you won't get any of that. But reach, you know, this is 434 views. Just something's gone horribly wrong. Wah, 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 wah. So it'll be interesting. I'll keep you posted on this video. I'll keep you posted in a pinned comment. Keep you updated if it comes good. But that just looks horrible. Anyway, it looks like it hasn't caught up because the actual views are like 827. People are watching it. Okay. So 103 thumbs up. Okay, so that's a real, actually 103 thumbs up to 827 views. that's a big percentage. Normally, if you can get 10% of your viewers to actually action, you know, like action something, like doing an action, like giving a thumbs up or giving a comment or something like that, that you're doing really well. Usually, you know, you might get like 5% or something like that. So to get 103 from 827 views, yeah, I think they've got to have just screwed up the stats. I really hope so. I really hope they haven't throttled it based on the kinky keyword. Anyway, I have removed it. I've now called it rubber-coated mailbag, and I've removed kinky from the description as well, hoping that, I don't know, the algorithm won't throttle it. But there you go. That's a day in the life of a YouTuber. You know, we get paranoid about these sort of things. Oh, what's happening? Is my channel being throttled? What's going on? You know, and yeah. Like sometimes like we get like stats don't, you know, they're all screwed up for like 5-10 minutes or something like that, and it comes good, but it's been a significant amount of time now, and it's, yeah. Anyway, keep you posted. Comment down below. Catch you next time.